Yeah.
I don't know a goose from a duck. I mean, I know the big ducks, and these big things.
These are geese. Yeah, these are geese.
So are the babies.
I thought geese are generally cheaper. I mean, geese are actually bigger than ducks.
The ducks, yeah, and they're next to, yeah.
Yeah.
So what are these babies? Are these baby geese, you think, or are they baby ducks? They don't look like geese.
No, they're geese. Yeah, they're going to be geese. Just a few weeks ago, those look like those. They grown up like in a week.
So they're geese.
Yeah, they're geese. Yeah, goslings. Gosling, that's what they call them.
Goslings.
Goslings. Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, they're growing pretty bigger. Like 2 weeks ago, they were very small.
So there are ducks here also. Here's ducks.
Yeah, those are ducks. Yeah. Usually, I think ducks are smaller than geese.
Yeah.
And I don't know. Yeah, I think they can have.
Well, they look like they belong together here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, but so those two, these are bigger.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. These got bigger. They probably hatched much
They're
earlier,
older.
you know.
But those are young.
But those are the different pair.
Geese also, you think.
Yeah, they're all the same geese, but I think these guys probably hatched much earlier, a few weeks ago.
Makes me hungry.
Or eat a duck.
I love to eat duck. It's the only
I
animal
thought somebody
I really
said.
like to eat.
Oh, is that right?
I haven't.
It's
had
usually
it
an
in
Asian
years,
delicacy,
though.
right? Isn't it usually an Asian delicacy eating? Oh, I guess they eat.